Hey guys, right now I'm experimenting about the food that I found outside with little birds that I found. I found these birds in the rain. One of them died because it fell out. It's from that bush. The mother is watching me, but she knows I'm not gonna hurt her babies because you know that she's not attacking me. I got these babies, I'm feeding them these things in the nighttime, these bugs. You break them in half and you feed them all the way in until it eats it. There we go. But yeah, always have to be careful so they don't choke. I'm gonna have a baby duckling soon. Couple days actually, I'm gonna have one. I'm gonna show you guys. So good. Bye guys, thank you. Remember, this is how to feed a baby mockingbird. Bye.